Before you get your first loan, make sure to take a look at your income and expenses so that you know how much you can afford, but be sure to be realistic.
What you should know before you get your first loan is what's in your credit history, as this will directly affect your interest rate. Your lender will pull your credit report before your loan is approved. You can get your free annual credit report at annualcreditreport.com.
So before you get a loan, you should know that there's two types. You can get a personal loan or a line of credit. A personal loan you borrow from one time. The line of credit you can borrow from multiple times up to your credit limit. Kind of like a credit card, but usually the rates are a little bit lower.
There are two common loan types, secured and unsecured. Using a savings account or a car as a personal asset can help you qualify for that loan and give you lower rates.
What you should do before you get your first loan is choose the right lender. One way to do that is compare interest rates and ask if there are any fees or prepayment penalties associated with your loan.
One thing to consider before you get your first loan is, will you need a cosigner? Whether or not you'll need a qualified co-borrower is definitely something you can talk with your lending specialist about, and they can help guide you. If you do end up with a cosigner on your loan, your payment history affects their credit history as well. So if you can't make that payment, they're going to need to make it for you.
Before you get your first loan, you need to start off with some loan details. Know how to make your payments, know when your payments are due. Late payments are reported to the credit bureaus. It can make future access to credit more difficult and more expensive.
Making a decision to get a loan is a commitment.
Make sure whatever you're borrowing for is worth it.
To learn more, follow Ent on social media.